She's gonna go in and go eat.
Honey.
She may have to go eat dinner. Are you hungry? Audrey. Audrey. Is she your friend? Yeah, do you like Audrey? Yeah? You like riding your bike with Audrey? Yeah? Do you like, is it good to wear a helmet? Yeah? What happened to Daddy bike? What happened to Daddy bike? Daddy bike broken. Yeah. Here comes Audrey with a big bike. Yeah, try and keep up.